a siege of both good and evil. It's a constant struggle as to which one will win, and one can't exist without the other. Good morning, everyone. Dussera, also called Dussera or Vijayadashmi in Hinduism, marks the triumph of Lord Ram, an avatar of Vishnu, over the 10-headed demon king Ravan, who abducted Ram's wife Sita. Symbolizing the victory of good over evil, Dussera is celebrated on the 10th day of Ashwin. It coincides with the culmination of the 9-day Navratri festival and with the 10th day of the Durga Puja festival. Dussera is celebrated with great fervor and fanfare. In North India, it incorporates Ram Leela, an enactment of Ram's life story. Effigies of Ravan, along with those of Meghnad and Kumbhakarna, are set ablaze at night in open fields. Ram personifies a spiritual personality, which is love, peace, and bliss, whereas Ravan personifies a worldly personality who runs after materialistic things and has lust for power, women, and greed. I would like to conclude with a quote. In life, when there is only knowledge but no love and compassion, the one becomes egoistic. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Aran Bhav Bhay Darunam. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Aran Bhav Bhay Darunam. Navakanjalocan Kanj Mukh Kar Kanj Pad Kanjarunam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Kandarap aganita amita chavi Navanila Niraj Sundaram Patapita Mana Utarita Ruchi Suchi Naomi Janaka Sutavaram. Shri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Aran Bhav Bhay Darunam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है विहान वर्मा। मैं प्रपलीली का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको दशहरे की एक कविता सुनाऊंगा। राजा अयोध्या के राम लौटे थे आज की शाम। 14 वर्षों का वनवास बिताकर लक्ष्मण के साथ माँ दुर्गा से लेकर वरदान। जब युद्ध में उतरे राम सफल हुआ उनका काम। आनंद हुआ खुशियों का त्योहार हम मनाते हैं साथ साथ। मिलती हमें प्रेरणा खत्म करने का पाप। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. I am Paspas. Today I recite one Durga slok. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupen Sanstita Namastasai 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Krishna Rupen Sanstita Namastasai 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhi Rupen Sanstita Namastasai 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Lakshmi Rupen Sanstita Namastasai 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 Namo Namah.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to give a speech on Dussera. Dussera is one of the important festivals of Hindus, but it is celebrated across celebrate 81st of October or November, 20 days before Diwali. Dussera means the celebration of the defeat of the 10-headed monster Ravan. It is a 10 days long festival. First 9 days are the run, and on the 10th day, the effigies of the 10-headed monster Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are born. Hence, Dussera means victory of truth and good over bad and evil. Thank you. Wish you all a happy Dussera.
Hello everybody, my name is Hamza of Nursery Daisy, Delhi Public School, Indira Nagar, Lucknow. Today I am going to recite a Dussera poem. देखो दशहरा आया है, देखो दशहरा आया है, खुशियाँ ढेरों लाया है, रावण हमने जलाया है, देखो दशहरा आया है, अच्छाई को गले लगाया है, आ मेले में हम घूम ले, मस्ती में हम झूम ले, पापा ने खिलौना दिलाया है, झूले पर माँ ने बिठाया है, देखो दशहरा आया है, देखो दशहरा आया है. Thank you. Happy Dussera. Hello everyone. My name is Archana Gupta. I'm a student of class 2nd DPS Indira Nagar. Today I'm going to perform Dangal dance.
नगाड़ संग ढोल बाज धम धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाज धाय 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 धम धाय ये धिक रात आ जाओ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाज धाय धाय धम धम
उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी जाए उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी जाए.
Durga Puja, also known as Durgotsav or Sharodotsav, is an annual festival originating in the Indian subcontinent which reverses and pays homage to Indian goddess Durga. Durga Puja is the celebration of Mother Goddess and the victory of warrior goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. She was called upon by 3 lords, Shiva, Brahma and Vishnu, to eradicate the demon and save the world from its cruelty. This battle went on for 10 days, and finally on the 10th day, Mother Goddess eliminated the demon. Goddess Durga is depicted as a warrior woman with 8 hands carrying weapons of different kinds, assuming mudras that represents her teachings.
मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि.
Chakra in our first upper right hand symbolizes dharma, signifying that we must perform our duties and responsibilities in our life.
Conch in our first upper left hand symbolizes happiness, signifying that we must perform our duty happily and cheerfully.
Sword in our second lower right hand symbolizes eradication of vices. It signifies that we must know how to discriminate and eradicate our evil qualities.
Bow and arrow in her second left lower hand symbolizes character like Lord Ram, which tells us that while facing difficulty in our life, we should never lose our values.
Lotus flower in her third lower left hand symbolizes detachment from the external world. Just like the lotus flower, as it stays in dirty water, yet smiles and gives the beauty to others.
Club, in her third right lower hand, is the symbol of Hanuman and symbolizes devotion and surrender. Whatever we do in our life, we do with love and devotion and accept the outcome of Almighty's will.
Trident or Trishul, in her fourth lower left hand, symbolizes courage. It signifies that we must have courage to eliminate our evil qualities and face difficulties in our life.
Fourth, lower right hand symbolizes forgiveness, signifying that we must forgive ourselves and others for their mistake. We should also seek forgiveness if we hurt anyone by our deeds and words. Durga, riding a tiger, indicates that she possesses unlimited powers and uses it to protect virtue and destroy evil. May this Dussera and Durga Puja bring you and your family lots of love and happiness and burn your worries away. Thank you.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनु